Hello CSCET students. Many congratulations for clearing your CS executive entrance exams. Today I am here to help you all understand now what is the next process after clearing up this entrance test. I'll take you through the entire process of entering and registering for your CS executive level, and what are the steps to be followed and how to go about with it further. Okay, so first, congratulations once again. You are already one step closer for becoming a company secretary. Now, as we all know, we are all corporate governance, and corporate saviors, company secretary. So obviously, we have all our practices which are going to revolve around governing a corporate. Okay, all the strategies, legal compliances, corporate communications, finance, accounts, everything which are the forte of company secretaries. So for your the levels which are there to become a company secretary, the first one is already done. Okay, so your entrance is already cleared. Okay, now you are in your executive program, and then the last one is professional. So you have two more programs to go by for you to become a company secretary. So for the executive program, you have two modules. Okay, each module, there is one module 1 which has 4 subjects, and there is a module 2 which has 3 subjects. Unlike your CS executive entrance test, your CSCET, which was all MCQs, these are all descriptive papers wherein you are going to go and write the exams. Okay, properly written paper. So you have 4 papers in first module and 3 papers in second module. You can choose to give both together or one group at a time. Now, okay, so in group 1, okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 jurisprudence, company law, setting up of business entity, corporate accounting and financial management, and group 2 is your capital markets, economic and commercial laws, and tax laws. Okay, so these are your total 7 papers for your executive entrance. Now coming to the important dates and compliances, okay, that you have to follow to enroll and give your CS executive exam. So there are 4 major things which are involved. First is now to go ahead and register on the ICSI portal for your CS executive level. Then you have a 1 day orientation program which is known as ODOP. Okay, it is 1 day. Third is your pre-test. Okay, before you give your actual exams in whichever attempt, June or December, there is a pre-test of the subjects which you have to complete. And the last is your exam form dates. They get announced by the institute and they give you a deadline until when you have to fill the exam forms. Okay, so the first one, how to register for CS executive, that I am going to help you understand and explain you the process. Okay, for both the modules, for one module, whatever, just simply you have to go on the icsi.edu. Okay, on the home, see here the home page. In that you have online services. They have given you one section, registration for CSET pass students in CS executive program. Okay, once you will click that, you will come to this student executive registration for CSET past information. Now you have to do this entire registration. You need certain documents which have to be ready. Okay, so all these documents can be in the following format. So you need a photograph, you need your signature, you need your date of birth, all these. Okay, so all these the photograph is there, and you have your signature, date of birth, certificate. You can give your 10th pass certificate, qualification certificate, your CSCET pass certificate, category if other than general, and identity proof which can be either your Aadhaar, your passport, or your driving license, etc. Okay, now all this has to be in a given format, which is either you give it in JPG and PDF, generally try PDF. In PDF, you have to see that your maximum file size is less than 2 MB, because this is the maximum which is allowed, otherwise you'll not be able to upload it. Okay, even your photograph, take your passport size photo, okay, and see that it is in a JPG format, okay, because that will allow you to have that file size 20 KB to 50 KB only. And signature, take a white paper, plain white paper, sign it, take a photo of that, and then upload that photo. See that again that photo is in any of these formats and having the required size, and it will definitely be there. Okay, you are supposed to reduce the size. If not, try other formats. First try PDF and JPG, the best, okay, first and the last one, and then you can see which size it is fitting with, and then you can just click on proceed to registration. There will be a payment page which will open up. You have to do the payment and you are supposed to move forward after that. Okay, so you click all this, you then proceed for registration, and then you have your roll number. Okay, for the CSET pass students, obviously you will have your unique number, your roll number, your verification code. You submit, you will put your education details in the second tab. If you see here, education details, basic education, source of information, document, preview your form, and the last one will be your payment page. Okay, so everything here you are supposed to fill, and you are supposed to get registered for your CS executive level. Okay, so your first step after your CS entrance exam. Now, what are the dates? Now, whichever month is your CS ET exams taking place. So, say you gave a May, you gave your CS ET in May, or in July, or in November, or in January. So, then that month's last date will be your last day to enroll for CS executive. Like talking about, say, January. Okay, so for January, 31st January, your exams were in January for CSET. You got your results also in January. 31st January will be the last date for appearing for any of the modules for CS executive program. Okay, if in case you want to appear for June, you can appear only for a appearing single module. Okay, single module for executive program for the June in that session, means June 2025, say. Okay, so if you are enrolling before 31st or last date which is 31st, you will be able to give any module 1 or 2 in the June 2025 exams. Okay, so you are supposed to take care of the cutoff dates which are there for enrolling in the executive program. All right, so I have already explained you the process of going on ICSI. Okay, you can enroll yourself and be there with us on the WhatsApp group. You will keep on getting regular updates, important notifications from institute, etc., all the details which are important for a step forward to become a company secretary. Okay, so join the WhatsApp group and stay updated with us, and do not forget to register for your CS executive program. Okay, I hope this video was really helpful to you all. Please go ahead and fill in all the details correctly with all your documents in place. Take care. All the best, everyone. See you. Bye.